Such an ironic time. Alright, so welcome again, everybody, and we're going to just put this out there and say, leave Minister Christopher Tufton alone. I wish we had a modern day Jesus now to gather some of these modern day scribes and Pharisees and ask them this question: are you without sin to throw stone? Because you have many persons out there doing the same thing, whether it be in the PNP or amongst average Jamaicans. We're doing the same thing. We live in a culture that says that a man should have a lot of women. So why are we judging this man? DJs have been doing the same thing. Is it that because he's a minister, he's more than just a man? Well, in the end, he's just a man. Come on, man. In this country, for those who are going to behave righteous, this is a Christian country, right? And look how many persons are born out of wedlock. Look how many persons are having sex before marriage, whether it be high-ranking persons or the average man. We glorify death. We glorify those persons who bring death. We make our persons who are stealing, whether it be from light to those corrupt politicians, we make it seem normal. I just saw it go. But we really just need to leave the man alone. If he cheated, it's between himself and his partner, and it's only sad to know that the person who leaked whatever information couldn't have done it in a private manner, but probably out of anger, who knows. But when you have a journalist going to a Ministry of Health news conference to report on national news to the people, and you're going to ask a personal question there, it doesn't seem well. It make the profession seem watered down still, because it make the person look like it's a tabloid you're working for. I don't have anything against tabloid papers or news, but come on, that make it seem like a gossip news you come for carry or bring to the people, and not government matters in which you are sent there for. Time and place. Because if we probably dug up into that reporter's life, probably would be much surprised what they are doing. But in the end, people, this is a private matter, and in Jamaica, we have many of these examples. Bob Marley, for example, was known for this thing. And it's public, but at the end of the day, it seems like some persons are not able to escape this type of scrutiny when it comes on to infidelity. So I leave with this. Just allow God and Mr. Tufton to sort out his private life, and let us not just jump on his bandwagon, because are we without sin? Alright, so until next time, don't hate on Chris, just allow him to live, and he's doing a good job as Minister of Health, so don't bash him yet. Alright, so walk good.